these little paws, that my shelter friends will find a home this year. Maya, who sleeps by the fire, she can use a brand new wheelchair. Chewy, Claus, don't forget those pigs and frogs. Even bunnies love a break from carrots too. And maybe if you're feeling crazy, with every wish you could donate some food. Sorry I barked too loud and I ate the Sunday roast, but I really need a helping hand. Chewy, Claus, I wish with these little paws that every single puppet dream comes true. Chewy, Claus, you spread love to all of us. You make every wish spread joy and kindness too. And whether you've got hooks, paws, whiskers, or fins or claws, well, Chewy's here to make your wish come true. Yeah, Chewy, Claus, you spread love to all of us. You make every wish spread joy and kindness too. Got a horse named Bluey, whose stable needs some holiday lights. Feel free to send my cat friend Stevie to scratch a post with a hammock on the side. Chewy, but let me tell you about Brandy. She's an older gal who lost all of her teeth. So maybe you could make things dandy by sending her a bag of softer treats. I'm sorry I drooled too much and stained the carpet floors. I'm sorry I chased the mailman. Chewy, Claus, I wish with these little paws that every single puppet dream comes true. Chewy, Claus, you spread love to all of us. Make every wish spread joy and kindness too.